So what are you making today, babe?
Roasted portabella marinated. Well, they're called caps, but they're steaks. They're meaty. You guys will see. I don't know what cabbage.
It's a 16-inch fan. You don't mount it up. We're in a temperature switch relay.
You keep wiping the Jeep.
Yeah, you're just sweating on everything. The whole floor over here. I can't step back and
Hey, we didn't have to move the exhaust. We didn't have to jack up. We didn't have to do anything. Look at that.
I'm gonna get that marinated in theirs first. Ooh, that's it. These are big. Look at this.
That's a big
That's
one,
a
babe.
freaking steak right there. Let me tell you, when these cook, it's like a steak.
So why are you flipping them over?
I'm gonna put the marinade on top, and then I'm gonna flip them over and let them really marinate. And you see that? That will just catch all of that and just, it will be really marinated. But I want still some on some top. So that's, and I'm gonna roast them that way too. The bottom, they're gonna be like this when we roast them. I have to put some marinade on them first. So that's what we're gonna do.
That sounds really good. And the marinade begins.
You ready? All right. Three-fourths. That was probably, no, that was about a quarter of a cup. Don't want to waste garlic. I'm going to put a little cumin in this. Slow. I'm going to get out my teaspoon. That's good.
So why are you brushing on versus pouring?
Because when you turn them over, you want it to be I don't know, it's gonna fall into areas and you need it to be everywhere. So I'm just gonna brush it on. I mean, you probably could pour it on, but I just think it gets it dispersed a lot more in this method rather than pouring it. Most of this is gonna go on the inside. We're gonna flip these bad boys over. I just wanted a little bit on there.
So why you turn them over is because they have all them grooves in them.
Because we're gonna marinate them. And we're gonna roast them just like this.
That just absorbs so much.
That's why you have to keep, even in and out is what I'm doing. I want them to all have the same seasoning. It just keeps absorbing down into the little, I don't know what they call those on a mushroom, honestly. Seems like a lot to go through, but I promise you, really yummy. You want all of this on all of it. I want them to be kind of soggy because it's just gonna soak it up.
Look at all that garlic.
That's why I don't pour it on, because it's really hard to get whole garlic, chopped up garlic like this to spread evenly on all of your stuff. I think these are good. These are going to marinate for a little bit.
So how long did these marinate for?
About 20 to 25 minutes.
And they just all soaked in?
Yeah, most of them did.
Oh wow.